Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad is getting excessively hot while you're using it, you're not alone. This overheating can occur due to dust buildup and inadequate thermal paste, which affects the cooling system. If left unchecked, this can lead to serious hardware damage, causing your laptop to fail completely. To resolve this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, thermal paste, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. First, make sure to power off your Lenovo ThinkPad and disconnect it from any power source. Open the laptop by carefully unscrewing the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Be gentle with the screws and keep them in a safe place. Once the back panel is removed, you'll need to locate the cooling fan, which is typically situated near the heat sink. Carefully disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. It's important to handle this gently to avoid damaging the connector. After disconnecting the fan, you can remove it by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. Now, take your can of compressed air and blow out any dust accumulated in the fan and heatsink area. This will significantly improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you notice the thermal paste on the CPU is dried out or cracked, it's time to replace it. Carefully clean off the old thermal paste using a lint-free cloth or isopropyl alcohol. Once clean, apply a small amount of new thermal paste on the CPU, spreading it evenly across the surface. Next, reattach the cooling fan by following the reverse steps you took to remove it. Be sure to reconnect the fan cable securely to the motherboard. After everything is back in place, replace the back panel and screw it on securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent overheating in the future, ensure that you regularly clean your laptop to avoid dust buildup and consider using a cooling pad for better airflow. Avoid using your laptop on soft surfaces that can block vents, and keep an eye on the temperatures while using it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.